Come on, I just need 10 fish today.
That's it.
Great place, great spots I'm dropping. So how are we not catching? I don't know.
Got one.
Is that one?
I don't know. Feels big though.
Big?
Yeah, feels
Good.
it.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. And that's what we were waiting for. That's a 4-pounder.
Yeah.
Oh, great. You left that long?
Uh-huh.
No, that wasn't that long, no. Come here, Cal. Cal. Nice one. What are you, 25?
Yeah.
Get him, man.
With a hole in my mouth.
Good. Now he knows how he feels. And you were gonna change?
And I got a log now, you motherfucker. Boat over there, and he was hooked to the log.
Yep, with the hook in his mouth.
With the hook in his
So
mouth.
he was staying, couldn't, his was underwater.
Underwater.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice jump.
Let's go.
Good. Got Callie too. There you go.
All right.
Oh!
Sorry.
He pulled it down. I watched him go after it. Fuck. Don't know what's wrong with it.
Oh, that's a freaking pike.
Yeah?
Or a pickerel. Yep. Callie, you're gonna fall in.
Cal, come here. That's a decent size.
Callie, you're gonna fall in. Fuck.
No. Well, they were pike.
They were pike.
Same size.
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah.
He's right there.
I'm watching them.
He's just chilling.